Hello everyone, welcome to Sneha Videos. This video is for 10th class, chapter 14, statistics, and in this video we are going to learn mode for an ungrouped data. Already the median and mean for an ungrouped data is given in the description. I have provided the playlist of 10th class videos maths. So please follow that link where you can find the real number chapter videos as well as this chapter videos, and I'll provide the further videos also in the description. Please follow them. So let us start the mode for an ungrouped data. The mode of an ungrouped data is the size of the variable which occurs most frequently. Means, see, suppose I have given some observations. Okay, 2, 3, 7, 8, 5, 2, like this, 7, 8, okay, 5, 2, 9, 6. In this way I have given the observation. Sorry for my writing. Okay, so here I gave here it is the size of the variable, means the number of times it occurred most frequently, means whatever observation occurred more times. Okay, so if you see here 2 and here 2, so 2 came 2 times. Okay, and all the remaining observation came only once. So whatever observation got more times, that is your mode. Simple. Okay, you just remember like this: mode, more, mode, more. Okay, so mode means more number of times whatever observation is there, that is your mode. Simple way. Okay, so let us take some examples. Here is your first example. Find the mode of 5, 3, 2, 8, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 9, 2, 7, 11, 4 and 9. Okay, so here I gave these are the observations. From these observations, see which observation occurred more times. Mode means more times, right? So let us round up 2 here. By seeing only we can say like 2 occurred more times. Here 3 times 2 occurred. Okay, 3 occurred 2 times. Okay, and 9 occurred 2 times. Okay, so we can say that 2 occurred 3 times. So your mode will be 2. Clear? Now let us take the next example. Here is a next example. Find the mode of 7, 2, 9, 5, 8, 1, 3, 9, 5, 10, 13 and 4. Okay, so let me check which number occurred more number of times. Okay, here if you see 9 occurred 2 times and 5 occurred 2 times and remaining observations occurred only once, right? So here if you see properly, I can write both 9 and 5 occurred 2 times, right? 9 occurred 2 times as well as 5 also occurred 2 times. Okay, in this case whenever the 2 observations occurred the same number of times, your mode will be these 2 only. Okay, you can write the mode as bimodal data. Bi means 2. Okay, so it is a bimodal data, means whatever the data he gave, these observations, it is a bimodal data. So bimodal data means there will be 2 observations as your answer mode. So I can write mode as 5 and 9, or you can write 9 and 5 also. Okay, don't confuse. If only mode means only one observation should be there, it is wrong. The mode may be 2 observations, it may be 3 observations also. Clear? So let us go to the next example. Here is a next example. Find the mode of 3, 9, 8, 5, 1, 2, 7, 8, 11, 13, 9, 5, 15, 9, 5 and 8. Okay, so these are the observations. Let me see which number occurred more number of times. Here 9 once, and if you see here it is 2 times, here it is 3rd time. Okay, so let me check if any observation is there. Here 8, 8, 8, it also occurred 3 times. Next here 5 once, it is 2 times, here it is 3 times. So here there are 3 observations, 9, 8 and 5 occurred 3 times, right? So your mode is these 3 numbers. Okay, your mode is 3 numbers, so I can write it as a trimodal data and your answer is 5, 8 and 9. Okay, so whenever the mode is one number, you can write the mode directly. If it is 2 numbers, then you can write it as a bimodal data and the observations will be 2. And here when there are 3 terms, 3 numbers as your answer, then your mode will be a trimodal data and write whatever numbers occur 3 times. Okay, so these all are your mode problems. Okay, please don't confuse. So these more problems will be asked in 1 mark questions or in the part B. So please don't confuse. I hope you understood this video. If you understand, please like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.